Thokozani. Salads with voodoo are waiting for you. I just want to let you know not all family members likes you. It's Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas Day. Lot of people are going to lose their minds. Lot of people are going to lose themselves. They'll be drinking like fishes. They'll be walking as if they are looking for a lost goat. Kuyoba busy kusasa. Kuyobe busy kusasa. All I'm saying ukuthi hambe uyophuzela ekhaya. It's worse if you are in KwaZulu-Natal. They arrest. Hayi lalela. I don't know ukuthi I think Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and ubaba uDuma, they're related or they are friends or they went to the same high school or it happened they're in the same WhatsApp group. Those guys are teaming up. Lalela, I don't know whether KwaZulu-Natal they've built new jails. Hayi ngeke kuyaboshwa. Lalela, KZN, you get arrested in the morning, very early in the morning. Somebody just called me now and say, Gogo Mboshiwe, please come assist me with a bail money. Chief, I don't have money. I don't have money. I wish I can come and pay that 1,000 rand for you. I don't have. I don't have. My selufu, I don't have. That's why I'm having my own Christmas with myself and with some clients whom we've worked together for ages. Just decided to come and spend a Christmas with me. So by saying nabo and we brought that small meat and we bought three of us, we put money together to buy a braai pack. It's just one pack. It's just the three of us. We're just gonna enjoy ourselves and go to sleep. We'll do the same on a Christmas, on a New Year's Eve when we cross over to the 2026. So all I'm saying today, guys, let's be careful. Be careful of what you're going to eat tomorrow on the Christmas day. Stroke is coming. Disability is coming. You're going to find yourself jobless from tomorrow. Yes, you think now you're on leave or for holidays. Ganti, you are fired before you even start on the 5th of January. So be careful. Be careful tomorrow. Where you go, what you eat, who you eat with. Be careful. I don't want you to look for this video and say, Isalwa Sendot, I have said this before. I regret it. I wish this. No, your action plan must be one. Eat your bread. It's okay. My mom used to say, Isisu asibongi. Thokozani.